Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Delicious Display. Today I'll be making lavariya. It is similar to Malaysian pandan crepe stuffed with coconut. So let's get started. Add in 1.5 cup of sugar into a pan and melt it down. You can substitute sugar with jaggery. And pinch of salt and crushed cardamom. Add in 1 cup of freshly scraped coconut for a great flavor. Now let's make the dough for the lavariya. Add in 2 cups of rice flour, in another cup add in warm water along with a pinch of salt. Now mix the salted water into the flour. Remember to add the water little by little until you get a soft dough. And the dough shouldn't stick to your hand. That's how you know when to stop kneading the dough. Now put your steamer on the stove and heat up. Now let's make the lavariya. Take a plastic sheet and oil them. Now take a string hopper press and press them in the shape of a circle. Place the coconut stuffing inside and roll them out without touching. Now place them on a lavariya plate and put it into the steamer. Steam for at least 6 minutes or till the steam releases. Now we're done. It is so freaking good. If you like sugar and coconut, then this would be a piece of heaven. Alrighty everyone, please like this video, comment, share with your loved ones, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for more. Thank you for watching, bye bye.